conjunctions. Let's crack. Unscramble the words below to form conjunctions. Use them in the sentence of your own. जो नीचे words हैं, jumbled हैं, उनको आपको क्या करना है? उनको unscramble करना है, correct conjunction लिखना है और फिर उसमें एक sentence बनाना है. जैसे first है आपका UTB, but, next or, next and, next because, next so, and next when. A conjunction is a word that joins words, group of words or sentences. Conjunction क्या है? Conjunction वो word है जो दो words को, phrases को और sentences को आपस में join करता है, right? Now conjunction, function and example. And to join words or sentences that are similar. जो similar होंगे उनको join करने के लिए. She is kind and loving. But to join thoughts or things that are different. Jeet is young but wise. Or to show a choice or an alternative. You can go for the movie or sit at home. Because to say why something happens. He was late because he didn't get up on time. Nor to join two negative alternatives. He could not lift his arm, nor could he bend it. Yet, to join two contrasting ideas together. He is intelligent, yet lazy. So, shows that the second idea is the result of the first. He worked hard so he could pass with good marks. Although, shows contrast. Although the dress was gorgeous, she didn't like it. Now more conjunctions. Conjunction. Now use an example. That. We use that to add more information. Example, we are hoping that we will reach on time. When? We use when to talk about the time when something happens. I will call you when I reach. Until. We use until to talk about a particular time. Particular time को अगर show करना होगा तो until. We cannot leave until the driver is here. Although. We use although to express a contrast. Although किसके लिए होगा? Contrast के लिए. I can't leave early although I want to. So that. We use so that to talk about a purpose. Purpose के लिए so that का use करेंगे. We left early so that we would not be late. Unless and if. The words unless and if are also conjunctions. We use unless to talk about the only condition because of which something will not happen. Condition को show करेगा ये. Example, you will be late unless you leave early. We use if to talk about the only condition because of which something will happen. Now example, you will reach on time if you leave early. Unless and if are similar in a way that they both are conditions for something to happen. However, unless is a negative condition. Unless हम negative उसमें use करेंगे. It says what will happen if the condition is not met. If says what will happen if the condition is met. अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा? अगर हुआ तो क्या होगा? Now practice and polish. Underline the correct conjunctions. आपको 1 से लेकर 8 तक sentences में जो correct conjunction है उसको underline करना है. The first halves of some sentences are given. Choose the second halves from the option given below and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. First half given है, second half आपको जो box में given है वहाँ से choose करके sentence को complete करना है. जैसे first है हमारा I am allergic to cats, yet I have 2 of them. तो ऐसे ही आपको सेकंड से लेकर 7 तक सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है ऊपर बॉक्स से लेके। Fill in the blanks with until, unless, if or when. I like to have a snack dash I get home from school. I like to have a snack when I get home from school. Mom will not switch on the TV until I finish my homework. We won't get tickets to the concert unless we book them today. We cannot eat dinner unless the rice is cooked. Dad doesn't listen to music when he drives. Fill in the blanks with although, so that, or that. I carried a map so that I would not get lost. I love chocolates. Dash, I know it is not good for me. I know chocolates, although I know it is not good for me. Next, they are hoping dash their missing dog will come home. They are hoping that their missing dog will come home. We painted the walls white so that the room looks brighter. Kavya had opened her umbrella, although it wasn't raining. Now join these sentences with the conjunctions given in bracket. Bracket में आपको conjunction given है, आपको इन दोनों sentences को एक करना है उनको use करते हुए। तो 1 से लेकर 8 तक आप उनको ऐसे ही करेंगे। Now fun corner. Look at the picture and write sentences using and, but, so and because. One has been done for you. आपको and, but, so और बिकॉज को यूज करते हुए सेंटेंसेस को बनाना है। एक आपको गिवन है, उसको देखते हुए आपको बाकी के सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करने हैं। नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड राइट सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग ऑल्दो, अनलेस एंड सो दैट। पिक्चर को देखते हुए आपको ऑल्दो, अनलेस एंड सो दैट को यूज करते हुए सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं। तो ये आप करेंगे।